Understanding road signs is the secret to passing the driving test. Learn these 40 signs for driving test and succeed easily. Okay, let's jump in. Guess this traffic sign. A. No vehicles except bicycles pushed. B. No entry. Correct. This sign prohibits entry in the area. Name this road sign. A. Traffic signals ahead. B. Standard traffic light. Well spotted. This sign indicates an upcoming traffic signal. Identify this traffic sign. A. No waiting. B. No stopping. Correct. This sign prohibits waiting in the area. What is this road sign? A. Mini roundabout. B. Roundabout. Excellent. It is the roundabout sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Steep descent. B. Steep ascent. Correct. It is the steep descent warning sign. Identify this road sign. A. Minimum speed 30 miles per hour. B. National speed limit applies. Well done. It is the national speed limit applies sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Keep left. B. Turn left ahead. Correct. It is the keep left sign. Guess this road sign. A. Parking place. B. Distance to a parking place. Excellent. This sign shows the distance to a parking place. Identify this traffic sign. A. Entrance to a 20 mile per hour zone. B. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour. Correct. It is the entrance to a 20 mile per hour sign. Which road sign is this? A. Horse-drawn vehicles prohibited. B. Horse-drawn vehicles. Well spotted. It is the horse-drawn vehicle sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Motor vehicles prohibited. B. No vehicles except pushed cycles. Correct. This sign prohibits motor vehicles from using this roadway. Identify this road sign. A. End of 30 miles per hour. B. Minimum speed limit 30 miles per hour. Excellent. This sign marks an end of 30 miles per hour sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Speed camera with 30 miles per hour reminder. B. Speed camera. Correct. It is the speed camera sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Stopping place for buses. B. Parking place for buses. Well spotted. This sign marks a stopping place for buses sign. Identify this road sign. A. Level crossing without gate ahead. B. Level crossing with gate ahead. Correct. It is the level crossing without gate ahead sign. What is this traffic sign? A. End of pedestrian zone. B. Pedestrians prohibited. Excellent. This sign prohibits pedestrians' activity in the area. Guess this road sign. A. Route for use by pedal cycles only. B. Route for bicycles and pedestrians. Correct. It is the route for bicycles and pedestrians sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Accompanied horses prohibited. B. Accompanied horses. Well done. It is the accompanied horses prohibited sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Traffic merges from the left. B. Traffic merges onto the main carriageway. Correct. It is the traffic merges onto the main carriageway sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. End of dual carriageway. B. Road narrows on both sides. Excellent. This sign marks an end of dual carriageway. Identify this road sign. A. Slow-moving vehicles. B. Slow-moving military vehicles. Correct. It is the slow-moving military vehicles sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Fire station ahead. B. Fire truck entrance. Well spotted. It is the fire station ahead sign. Guess this road sign. A. Route to the left. B. Vehicular traffic must turn left. Correct. This sign instructs vehicular traffic to turn left. Identify this traffic sign. A. Foggy conditions may exist. B. Risk of fog ahead. Excellent. It is the risk of fog ahead sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Tramway. B. Route for tram cars only. Correct. It is the tramway sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Wild animals. B. Deer crossing. Well done. This is the wild animal crossing warning sign. Identify this road sign. A. Direction to tourist attraction. B. Tourist information. Correct. It is the tourist information sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Lanes bend ahead. B. Double bend first left. Excellent. This sign warns of lanes bend ahead. Guess this traffic sign. A. Controlled parking zone. B. Entrance to a disc parking zone. Correct. This sign marks the entrance to a disc parking zone. Identify this road sign. A. Contraflow bus lane. B. Route for bus and tram only. Well spotted, it is the contraflow bus lane sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Motorway junction ahead. B. Junction ahead of a primary route. Correct. It is the junction ahead of a primary route sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Traffic light with tram signal lamp. B. Traffic signals ahead. Excellent. It is the traffic light with tram signal lamp sign. Identify this road sign. A. Wigwag signal. B. Light signals at level crossing. Correct. It is the wigwag signal sign. What is this traffic sign? A. No waiting. B. Controlled parking zone. Well done. It is the controlled parking zone sign. Guess this road sign. A. Stop before crossing. Police ahead. B. Stop sign. Correct. It is the stop before crossing. Police ahead sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Direction to tourist attraction. B. Steam railway tourist attraction. Excellent. It is the steam railway tourist attraction sign. What is this road sign? A. End of prohibition of goods vehicles. B. End of controlled zone. Correct. This sign marks the end of prohibition of goods vehicles. Guess this traffic sign. A. Controlled parking zone. B. Bay reserved for loading and unloading only. Well spotted. This sign marks a bay reserved for loading and unloading only. Identify this traffic sign. A. Historic castle tourist attraction. B. Junction to a tourist attraction. Correct. This sign marks a historic castle tourist attraction. What is this traffic sign? A. Handicapped. B. Parking for disabled badge holders. Excellent. This sign marks a parking for disabled badge holders. Well done making it to the end. If you want more driving tips, road sign training and study materials, hit subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date. Watch the videos on your screen to keep learning. See you in the next video.